Find the number of subsets. In this problem, we are going to find the number of subset within the set of 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are two ways to approach this. The first way is to write down all the different combinations of subset that you can have. So in this case, we can have a subset of nothing, and we can have a subset of one number, or we can have a subset of two numbers, and all the different combination of that. And then we can have a subset of three numbers and all the different combinations of those three numbers. And finally, we can have a subset of four numbers. So if we count all that up, we're going to get 16 subsets. The shortcut way to do this is to substitute it into the formula 2 to the n. So we know there are four terms in this subset. So and n will represent the number of terms. So 2 to the 4 will get us 16, and that also results in 16 subsets. So this completes our problem.